Hello and welcome to day 7 of building my personal portfolio from scratch. You already know the drill. First of all, we are going to look into what we've built so far, and then we're going to be looking into the code together. If you take a look at my screen right now, you will see that below the contact me section, we now have the footer. So it looks like we are actually wrapping up this entire portfolio. And now let's take a look into the code. But before we do that, you can see that we have all the navigation also in the footer section. We can go to the about me section, we can go to the contacts, and then we can also, like, all the navigation pretty much works just like we have it in the navigation section. And also, yeah, I've also included the links to my socials. We have the links for the LinkedIn and then the link for the GitHub. They both work as expected. And yeah, I have had some copyright message, so you can do whatever you want in this case. And then also, yeah, I said like made with love and coffee. So I've put a lot of love into this project and also drank a lot of coffee. So now let's look into the code. If we take a look into the code, let's start from our app.tsx. You will see that below our contact component, we now have our footer component. And if we go into our footer component, it's pretty easy and pretty straightforward. We have the logo, which pretty much goes back into the home page from the beginning. We have the home, does exactly the same thing, about section, experience, portfolio, and the contact. We have here all our social links. You can add more if you want to. You can remove if you want to. Just do as you like. And yeah, we have the copyright section. You can take a look at this. Instead of making this copyright section a display of flex and flex direction of column, I decided to just use like a break HTML tag to break them into multiple lines. So yeah. If you take a look at the bottom, we have the CSS, pretty much the same thing that we've been doing like before. So pretty straightforward, nothing specific. Nothing specific here, and that's pretty much it. Tomorrow, which is probably going to be our day 8, we are going to be deploying this entire portfolio to Netlify. So if you are new here, for the last 7 days, we have been building our portfolio, and today is day 7, which we are pretty much wrapping up the entire thing. Tomorrow we will upload it into Netlify so we can all test it online and see the way it actually works.